Today I'd like to show you how I make this old life ring into a new nautical themed decoration. Start by sanding it down and removing any stickers. Wipe it clean and then paint it with undercoat. Okay, so I've missed filming quite a few steps as my daughter kept stealing my phone, so I just want to recap of what I've done. I sanded over the orange quite a few times, and each time I painted with a little bit of undercoat. And then today what I did was I covered all the rope up better than this. I started opening it, covered it all up with rags and masking tape, and then I just spray painted it. Now I only wanted to use the spray paint that I had already, so I've used like an ivory on that side, and then on the other side, which is going to be the wall side, it's a little bit darker, and I just blended it in around there. So now I'm just going to peel off all this tape, and I'll show you what I'll do next. There you go, looking much better. And what I've done is I've found some scrap material in the cupboard, which just happens to be perfect. I cut it into little slices and I've sewn just along the black. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to lay them over here like that. And then I'm going to hot glue them on there, and then I'm going to make a nice strip of macrame to go over the middle there. There we go, that's what it's going to look like, just with the macrame strips there as well. Here we go, all glued on, and I've also made the macrame strips down here, and so now I'm going to figure out a way of putting them just across here. I'm probably going to use a mixture between tying, glue, and maybe stitching a few. Thanks so much for watching. Happy crafting, everyone. Make sure to subscribe for many other crafty adventures.